What if I told you there is a gold mine of $1 million business ideas hiding in plain sight on Reddit right now? In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you how the exact automated system that scans thousands of Reddit posts to find real business problems people are desperately trying to solve. Here's the crazy part. I've built this entire system in just 2 hours using n8n, and it's already identified 10 validated business opportunities. Let me show you one that could literally be your next $1 million business. If you're new here, I'm June, building multiple SaaS products and AI agency as a solo founder. I use AI to replace what used to take the entire teams, and I have shared everything I learned so you can do the same thing. Please subscribe our channel and our newsletter via link in the description before we dive into the show. So here is our blueprint. First phase will integrate with Telegram and get the subreddit and try to search ideas in the given subreddits and filter down based on a few features and then pass it to next AI agent. This AI agent will determine that the idea we found from original post is worth or not. And if we filter it out and if we got the thumbs up from this AI agent, we try to summarize the original post for understanding the idea and get preferred solutions for solving this problem for your future business. And finally, we save into spreadsheet. So let's go this part first. So start with the Telegram event, a message here. And then I already have a few different bots. You can create a bot here. And I create this Ready search bot. And here I will click this one. And then I will test the step. Coming back to this original one, what if I try to find subreddit SaaS? Enter, coming back to n8n. And here what I have here is we got text SaaS here. So next one, we'll add Reddit and create it. And there is a search for a post. Click this one. And again, you need a auth API key. To get this one, visit this alt.reddit.com. And once you create your own app, you will get client ID and secret and save into your own credentials here. And then now you can use it. And operation, just search. And you can do all Reddit, but I like to use subreddit to filter down the categories that you're looking for in your business. And here, subreddit, let's use this text. So drag and drop. And I'll do for a test, I'll do just 20. So if I click test step again, so keywords is the problem. I'm coming back here, looking for a solution. So you can do like solution here for your keyword. If I test again, okay, I get 20. Now, so this guy on my first startup, I create a niche software product. Second startup, I don't know how to, this one, and we have lingering down, scroll down here, we got 20 items. So next step is to filter based on our criteria. So to do so, add a filter node. And here, what I'm going to do is to set up the, here. there's upvote or ups here. So ups, and I want to have at least 5 upvotes for this one so that it went good on social media. And second one is self-text. This one should not be empty. So to do so, here we got string, it's not empty. So we have pretty generous filters right now, but let's try this one. Number is greater than, and let's test again here. Now, so we started with the 20 items. Now we filtered out 14 items. From here, what we want to do is we want to select key fields that we're going to send over to our next AI agent. So here, select key fields. Here, edit fields. Here, we can manually add. Here, self-text. We want ups, and we want to have subreddit name because we searched on SAS here. And what else coming back? Have this one, and we have now URL and date. So coming back, and let's try to find created at. Yeah, created. And what else? URL. So let's do here expression. Now we're giving these 5 fields fitting into our agent. Next part is to build our AI agent. So I select AI agent node and click here. I will change to conversation agent, and I will change here define below for prompts. But before that, let's add chat model for this case. Why not use chat Gemini? And here I'll use just slash 2.5 here. We scroll down here. Maybe this one. And our most important prompts I want to share here. It's pretty simple. Decide whether this Reddit post is describing a business-related problems or need a solution instead of other ideas. We only care about business opportunity in this use case. And we just need to change to this as a self-text. And since we want to filter this one based on just yes or no, so we added additional prompts here saying output say only yes or no. And after that, what we're going to have is we're going to use merge, and we'll add from this one to this one. So from AI agent, this one will determine that the idea is worth. So it will say yes or no, and this will bring still the information we need for the next step. So here, I'll just do combine and position 2. So if we test this one, I'll show you. So it goes all 14 items, yes, and other fields, no. And if you're going down, no, and here, yes, yes. So we found a few ideas that AI agents think is worth. So from here, what we can do is we can add a filter again. And here, what we're going to do is output is equal to yes. And let's say here, filter post like content, rename it. And if we test this one, see from 20 items when we started here, we narrowed down 14 items. And after that, AI agent think we discard 5 items and we have now 9 items that we can use for our business. So we are done with the second phase. So our final phase is to ask AI to conduct 2 different operations. The first one is summarize the original post. Second one is find a proper solution for business ideas. To do so, we got this one, and here, summarize chain. This is very useful node. So we have to add our model here. So I'll just use, in this case, ChatGPT model or a mini like this, and let's test out. The recommendation is to always test many steps so we don't get overwhelmed when you test the entire workflow after you finish. And here, we're waiting. So we have my items, and actually the summarization is pretty good. The auto reflects on their first startup. So I like this one. So let's say we're done with this. And the second part is to find out proper solution. This is more important. And why don't we use OpenAI? Then I will create a message, a model. Here, message a model. And let's use borrow here. And this prompt is pretty important to figure out what is the opportunity that we can take. So I will share it here. Here, based on the following, Reddit post suggests a business idea or service that I could create to help this problem. And we just need to update this part. Change to expression. And here, all we can do is JSON self-text. So if you see on the right side here, Reddit posts this one and provide a concise description of business idea service that would address this issue effectively. So we're done with this one, but I want to merge all of these results and save into our spreadsheet. So to do so, we just need to do merge, create it and merge. And also we need this one. So here I'll say the number of inputs is 3. So if we run all of this, need to wait a little bit. Okay. So now let's see We can save this one in our spreadsheet. And here, again, I can throw in the sheet. And here, I create this one. I'll say the first one and automatically. So how does this work? Test step. Okay, and if we coming back here, we got this one. So I think we're messed up with this merging part. But if we look at this output as all of them 9 items, we got yes from AI agent. And here is the original post. And then we have this. So let's come back and here. The merging part messed up. So what we can do is append, combine, and position. And number of input is 3. And this one was messed up. So we have to put like this. And let's run this part only. See, so now we have 9 items. And let's clean up this one. On the spreadsheet here and coming back to n8n. And if I run this one again, okay, saved, come back here. Now we got URL, original post, a message from AI here. So if we look at this one, I actually like it. Competitor differentiation and consultancy service. Or how about other one? Marketplace for SaaS development. Software name is Match SaaS. See, I think this is crazy. You already got multiple ideas for your next business. All you need to do is based on this one, do more research a little bit and start executing for your business. So today we set up a new n8n workflow to find out your next 1 million business opportunities. You can download the free n8n template via link in the description, or if you want us to build an AI system for your business, send an email to jun@aitopia.biz. And please make sure to subscribe our channel and my newsletter here. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.